I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Mercedes E-Class from the W212 generation, produced between 2009 and 2016. This elegant saloon has long been a symbol of luxury and sophistication on British roads, blending German engineering with refined comfort. Whether you are cruising along the M1 or navigating city streets in London, it offers a smooth ride that many drivers adore. Let us start with the positives, as every car has its shining moments. The E-Class W212 boasts impressive build quality, with plush interiors featuring high-grade leather and advanced infotainment systems for its era. Performance-wise, models like the E250 CDI deliver a balance of power and efficiency, achieving around 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the motorway. Fuel economy is a strong suit for diesel variants, making them ideal for long-distance commuters in the UK. Safety features, including multiple airbags and stability control, earned it top marks from Euro NCAP. Overall, it is a car that exudes class and reliability when well maintained. However, no vehicle is perfect, and we must address the common faults, starting with the most frequent ones. Air suspension leaks top the list for many owners, particularly in models equipped with the optional Airmatic system. These leaks often occur in the airbags or valves, leading to a sagging ride height and uneven handling. Drivers report the car dropping overnight, especially after hitting potholes on British B roads. Repair costs can climb to £1,500 or more at a specialist garage. Prevention involves regular inspections, but once it fails, it disrupts the luxurious driving experience this Mercedes promises. Another widespread issue is the wiring harness problems, which plague the engine bay and electrical systems. Over time, insulation degrades due to heat and vibration, causing short circuits or sensor failures. This can manifest as dashboard warning lights, erratic engine performance, or even starting issues in cold UK winters. Owners in rainy areas like Manchester often notice exacerbated problems from moisture ingress. Fixing a faulty harness might set you back £800 to £1,200 depending on the extent. It is a reminder that high-tech features come with maintenance demands. Beyond these, rust on the rear subframe is a notorious weak point, especially in salt-treated winter roads across Scotland and the north. Corrosion can compromise structural integrity, leading to expensive repairs or even MOT failures. Regular underbody washes and protective coatings are essential to mitigate this. Transmission glitches in the 7-speed automatic gearbox affect some units, with symptoms like harsh shifting or hesitation. This is more common in higher mileage examples exceeding 100,000 kilometers. A fluid change every 60,000 kilometers can help, but rebuilds cost upwards of £2,000. Engine troubles such as timing chain stretch in petrol variants like the E350 emerge after prolonged use. You might hear a rattling noise at startup, signaling wear that requires a specialist fix. Diesel models, popular in the UK for their torque, sometimes suffer from injector failures, adding to running costs. Interior wear shows in high-traffic areas, like the driver's seat bolsters and steering wheel trim. While the cabin feels premium initially, materials can fade over time in sunny spots. Upgrading to aftermarket covers helps preserve that executive feel. On the electronics side, the command navigation system occasionally glitches, freezing or losing satellite signal in rural areas. Software updates at a Mercedes dealer, costing about £200, often resolve this. It is a minor annoyance compared to the system's overall intuitiveness. Fuel system issues in diesels include clogged particulate filters, common after short trips in congested traffic like London's rush hour. Regeneration fails, triggering limp mode and a trip to the mechanic. Driving at higher speeds periodically keeps it clear. Suspension components beyond air systems, such as bushings and ball joints, wear out faster on pothole-ridden UK roads. Noises like clunks over speed bumps signal replacement needs, at around £500 per axle. Proactive maintenance extends the car's lifespan. Battery drain from faulty modules is another gremlin, leaving owners stranded. This often stems from the intelligent battery sensor or auxiliary systems. A new battery and diagnostic scan might total £300. Exhaust gas recirculation valve failures in diesels lead to reduced power and increased emissions. Symptoms include black smoke and poor acceleration on motorways. Cleaning or replacement costs £400 to £600, impacting MOT compliance. Wheel alignment issues arise from worn control arms, affecting tire wear and handling. Regular checks every 20,000 kilometers prevent uneven tread. It is a straightforward fix, but neglect leads to pricier tire replacements. Cooling system leaks, particularly from the radiator or thermostat housing, occur in older models. Overheating warnings appear during hot summers, risking engine damage. Parts and labor can reach £700. Turbocharger problems in performance-oriented diesels like the E300 BlueTech cause loss of boost. Whistling sounds or smoke indicate failure, with repairs exceeding £1,000. Choosing naturally aspirated options avoids this. Oil leaks from the engine seals are common after 150,000 kilometers. They soil driveways and require gasket replacements. Costs vary but start at £300 for minor seals. Central locking malfunctions due to actuator failures lock owners out unexpectedly. This is inconvenient in busy car parks. A full set replacement might cost £500. Air conditioning compressor failures leave cabins stuffy in humid UK weather. Refrigerant leaks or clutch issues are culprits, with fixes at £600. Annual servicing prevents breakdowns. Paint quality on some colors fades or chips easily from stone impacts on motorways. Resprays for affected panels run £800. Protective films offer a safeguard. Tire pressure monitoring sensors can fail, triggering constant warnings. Replacements per wheel cost £50, but calibration adds up. It is a safety feature worth maintaining. AdBlue system faults in later BlueTech models cause no-start conditions if fluid runs low. Refills are cheap at £20 per litre, but sensor issues escalate costs. Compliance with emission standards is key in urban zones. Gearbox oil cooler leaks contaminate the cooling system in some autos. This leads to overheating and potential transmission failure. Repairs can hit £2,500 in severe cases. Headlight failures from faulty ballasts affect visibility on foggy nights. Xenon units are prone, with replacements at £300 each. LED upgrades improve longevity. Sunroof drains block, causing water ingress and interior damage. Musty smells follow, requiring cleaning at £150. Parking undercover helps. Cruise control glitches interrupt long drives on the A roads. Sensor or wiring faults are common, fixed for £200. It diminishes the relaxed touring appeal. Exhaust manifold cracks in V6 engines produce ticking noises. Welding or replacement costs £800. Regular inspections catch it early. Power steering pump failures result in heavy handling. Fluid leaks or motor issues arise, with repairs at £500. Electric systems in later models are more reliable. Now, let us talk pricing in the UK used market. A well-kept 2012 E220 CDI with 80,000 kilometers might fetch around £10,000. Higher spec models like the E350 can go for £15,000, while entry-level ones start at £6,000. Running costs include servicing at £500 annually at independence. Fuel for diesels averages 5.5 litres per 100 kilometers combined. Insurance groups sit around 30 to 40, depending on the variant. In conclusion, the Mercedes E-Class W212 suits discerning drivers who value luxury and are prepared for premium maintenance, such as business professionals or families seeking a refined daily driver. It is less ideal for budget-conscious owners avoiding repair bills. With proper care, it remains a rewarding choice for UK motorists. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.